In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu with ExpressVPN, so you can securely stream your favorite shows while bypassing geo restrictions. Let's get started. First, sign up for an ExpressVPN subscription and download the app on your device. Install the app, log into your account, and connect to a server located in the United States. Hulu is only available in the US, so this step is essential if you're accessing it from another country. Once connected, open the Hulu app or website, log in to your Hulu account, and start streaming as usual. ExpressVPN encrypts your connection, ensuring your online activity remains private and secure while bypassing geo-blocks. If Hulu detects the VPN and restricts access, simply switch to a different US server in ExpressVPN for seamless streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your favorite shows on Hulu.